Let's look at this question. Miss Dong paid $28 for 5 pencils and 3 staplers. A stapler costs 3 times as much as a pencil. How much is a stapler? Okay, so I'm going to draw this to represent a pencil. Okay, and this to represent a stapler. Okay, so I bought 5 pencils and 3 staplers, and all of this cost $28 altogether. Now let's look. This one stapler costs 3 times as much as a pencil, so I can actually exchange this for 3 pencils. Exchange 3 pencils. Exchange 3 pencils. And you know that all of this costs $28 altogether. So after I take the staplers and exchange it all for pencils, how many pencils are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 pencils. Okay, so 14 pencils cost $28. One pencil would therefore be $28 divided by 14 equals to 7. So divide by 14 not equals 7, equals to $2. Okay, so each pencil costs $2. But I'm looking for the cost of a stapler, and I know that one stapler is costs the same as 3 pencils. So $2, $2, $2, right? So $2 times 3 equals to $6. Alright, so this is how you solve this type of word problem.